any kind of large facility like the airport, there are many stakeholders. And rightfully so, they all have their own agendas that they're trying to achieve for their division, because maintenance has particular needs that they want. The tenants have particular needs that they want. The properties group has particular needs that they want. Properties is more concerned about downtime, that kind of stuff, lease issues. How much space are we going to take with this equipment in the lease space because it's all square footage? What's the cost of the system? How much is it going to cost me to keep running? Where the maintenance guys are much more involved in the nuts and bolts of the system. How does it work? How does this extraction valve work? Why is this zone control panel here? That type of thing. At the beginning, obviously, it's going to be the stakeholders who are going to be using the system. I like to include the maintenance folks in that because a lot of times early on, they're not included and they have a lot of sway later. A lot of times it's the owner, the architect initially, where you have to kind of convince them on your concepts and what you want to do and that it's going to work. And then I like to bring in the maintenance folks.